Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how I made this simple outro to match the intro tutorial I posted last week. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check that out. Next week I'll be posting a banner tutorial to match the intro and outro, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Here are the apps I'll be using: Phonto, Vita, Picsart, and Capcat. They're all free, so you don't have to pay for anything to make this outro. This is the model I use. I'm going to be using one video and two half body photos. You don't have to use the same types of photos as me. You can even use a photo instead of the video and it will still be cute. So once you get your photos together, you're going to go to Phonto. Once you get to Phonto, you're going to click the camera. You're going to hit plain images. You're going to click either the first or the second option. You're going to go to the ratio and we're going to change it to custom, and we're going to do 1920 by 1080. Then we're going to hit color. We're going to keep the first color white, and for the second one we're going to use a green color. I'm going to use this mint green color, and the color code is 9CBE9F. So if you wanted to use that, you would just hit the square with the pencil. You would type your color code and then you would add it to your colors and just select it. Once you have your colors, make sure that the ombre effect is vertical. So if it's not, you're just going to hit the tab at top and you're going to select vertical. Then you're going to hit apply. You're going to hit the arrow and you're going to hit use. Then you're going to hit the arrow again and you're going to save it. Once you save that, then we're going to go to Picsart. So I know sometimes it's hard to find the stickers that I use. So if you're ever struggling to find what I use, you can go to my Picsart account and I'll have my profile link below. And if you click the link, it will take you directly to my account. Once you get to my profile, you're going to click the bookmark tab at the top. You're going to click my YouTube collection. And here you will find all the stickers I'm going to be using in my YouTube videos. I'm going to put all of the stickers I use from now on in here. So the ones I'll be using for this video is this one and this one. And to use it, you're just going to hit apply. You're going to choose the transparent background and you're just going to save it. If you don't want to do that, to find it, I hit the plus sign. You're going to scroll until you get to the transparent background. You're going to go to stickers. You're going to search paper tear. And this is the one that I used. So you're just going to save that. Then we're going to go back to stickers. And we're going to search paper strip. I used the first one. And this one I edited a little bit. So you're going to click it. You're going to go to adjust. You're going to go to the brightness and you're going to turn it up just so it's a little bit brighter. I'm going to do 25. You're going to hit apply. And then I'm going to make mine a little bit longer. And then you're going to go ahead and save that. And once you save that, then we're going to go to Capcut. Once you're in Capcut, you're going to hit new project and we're going to add the photo that we saved from Phonto. Make sure you delete the ending. I'm going to make mine 5 seconds long. We're going to go to effects, video effects. We're going to go to texture. We're going to click painting. We're going to hit adjust. We're going to turn the filter all the way off. And we're going to change the texture to 50. Then we're going to go to video effects again. We're going to go back to texture. And then we're going to use plastic 3. We're going to hit adjust. And we're going to turn the texture to 50 as well. And that's it for the background. Then we're going to go to overlay. We're going to hit add overlay. You're going to add the photo that you want to use. Then we're going to go to remove background. I want to place this in the corner. Then I'm going to go to add overlay again. I'm going to add a new photo. You're going to remove the background again and place it right next to the other photo. Then I'm going to hit add overlay again. You're going to add the video you want to use. I'm going to trim mine. you're going to add the video that you want to use. So we're going to go to edit. We're going to hit crop. Then I'm going to make it bigger, and I'm going to turn it and place it off to the side and just make it bigger so that it fits the whole screen. I'm going to turn it the other way. Then I'm going to trim the video some more. I'm going to extend these two photos. Then we're going to go to add overlay again. We're going to add the sticker from Picsart. And then you're just going to make it bigger, and you want to place it right on the edge of the video so that it blends and it's not a harsh edge. Make sure that the sticker covers the whole edge of the video. Then I'm going to select the video. I'm going to go to adjust. I'm going to go to grain, and I'm going to turn it to 60. Then I'm going to go to opacity, and I'm going to turn it down to 90. Then we're going to add one more overlay. We're going to add the other sticker from Picsart. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger and place it at the top. I'm going to bring these photos down a little bit. Now we're going to add animations. For the first two photos, we're going to go to animation, we're going to go to in, and we're going to use slide up for 1.2 seconds. I'm not going to add any animations to the video. Then we're going to hit the back arrow. We're going to hit text. We're going to hit add text. And you're going to type thanks for watching. Then we're going to go to style. We're going to use the Feeling Passionate font. And I just downloaded this font from the font. I'll put the link below in the description. Make sure that you're in the colors tab. I'm going to move this up and make it bigger. Then you're going to go to animation. And I'm going to use wipe right for 1.2 seconds. Then I'm going to move the text to the beginning of the clip. I'm going to extend it. And this is what it should look like when you're done. And now we're finished with the first clip. So we're going to go ahead and save this. And then we're going to go to Google. Once you go to Google, you're going to search outro template. Then you're going to go to images. And we're just going to be using this as the overlay guide to help us. I'm going to be using one with 2 squares and a circle. So I'm just going to choose one that I think will work well. I like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. I'm going to use this one instead. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Then once you save that, we're going to go to Phonto. Once you're in Phonto, you're going to hit the camera again. You're going to hit plain images. Choose the first or the second option. Go to the ratio. Go to custom. We're going to do 1920 by 1080. Then you're going to keep the color the same. You're going to hit the arrow. You're going to hit use. Then you're going to save it. After you save that, we're going to go to Picsart. Once you're in Picsart, you're going to use the transparent background again. You're going to go to add photo, and you're going to add the photo we just saved from Phonto. Once you add that, we're going to go to shadow. We're going to go to color. We're going to choose white. I'm going to make the vertical 0 and horizontal 0. We're going to adjust. I'm going to turn the opacity all the way up. I'm going to turn the blur all the way up. Then you're gonna save that, but don't hit apply, just save it. Then you're gonna click the image. We're gonna go to shape. We're gonna hit the circle, hit the arrow, turn the border all the way to 0. Then you're gonna hit save. And then you're gonna save that. Make sure it has the shadow on it still. Once you save that, then we're gonna go to Capcut. Once you're in Capcut, you're gonna add the same background that we used for the first clip. You're gonna delete the ending. I'm gonna make this clip 6 seconds. And we're gonna use the same effects as the first clip as well. Make sure that you turn them both down to 50. Once we've added the effects, we're gonna add in the template. So you're gonna go to add overlay. You're gonna add your template. You're gonna make it bigger so that it fits the screen. Then you're gonna go to opacity and you're just gonna lower it so that you can see what you're doing, but you don't want it to be in the way. I'm gonna do about 20. Then we're gonna add another overlay and we're gonna add the pictures from Picsart. First, I'm gonna add the rectangle. And we're just gonna match it up with the template. I'm gonna go to layer. I'm gonna choose 1 so that it can go behind the template. And this will just help me see exactly what I'm doing. So once you have that lined up, you're gonna go to copy. You're gonna copy it and bring it down. Then you're gonna click the copy image and you're gonna bring it over to the other rectangle. And we're gonna go to layer again and we're gonna hit 1. Now we're gonna add the circle. You're gonna hit layer again and do 1 or 2. And you're gonna bring that down so that it matches the template. You can make it smaller if you want, but I'm gonna leave mine the same size. Now we're gonna go ahead and delete the template. I'm gonna bring my rectangles over just a little bit. And I'm gonna move the circle over a little bit so that it looks more centered. Now we're gonna change the opacity. I'm gonna make mine 60 and I'm gonna do that for all 3 images. Then you're gonna hit the arrow and you're gonna hit text. You're gonna hit add text and you're gonna type watch more. Then we're gonna go to style. We're gonna use the same font, feeling passionate, and we're gonna go to color and we're gonna use the same brown color. And we're gonna go to animation and we're gonna use wipe right again for 1.2 seconds. Then I'm gonna make it bigger and I'm gonna move it up to the top. Extend your clip. And this is what it should look like when you're finished. So once you're done with that, you're gonna save it and then we're gonna go to Vita. Once you get into Vita, you're gonna make sure that your watermark is turned off. So you're gonna go to settings and you're gonna turn it off if it's on. So you're just gonna hit Vita watermark and turn it off. Once you do that, you're gonna hit new project and you're gonna add the first clip that we made and the clip that we just saved from Capcut. Once you have both clips added, you're gonna go to the second clip right when it starts. You're gonna go to more and you're gonna hit sticker and you're gonna go to Jiffy. You're gonna type subscribe. Then we're just gonna scroll and find any subscribe button that you like. This is the one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna make it bigger and I'm gonna bring it to the bottom. And then once the watch more finishes, I'm going to go to Jiffy again, and I'm going to search cursor. I'm going to use the second option, and I'm going to place it on top of the subscribe. Scroll up to the end of the video so that you know where it lands. And this is what it should look like. Then we're going to hit the back arrow. We're going to hit the box in between the clips, and we're going to add a transition. We're going to go to special effects, and I'm going to use brush 1 for 1.2 seconds. And this is what it should look like when you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my matching banner tutorial I'll be posting next week, and I'll see y'all in the next one.